Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today in this video we will teach you how to repair any vehicle without spending money. So we're just gonna break the car. We already broke it. So what we're gonna do is that we're gonna switch to Franklin, Trevor, whatever you want.
Wait for a minute.
And we're just gonna wait for a minute. We're just gonna do a small walk of 1 minute. Guys, just sorry for the back sound cause there's people in my house, so there's lots of people in my house because my friends. And then you're just gonna switch to Michael and boom, the car is now repaired.